Okay guys, so you're welcome to my YouTube channel. I just want to share my experience with trading US30. I actually started trading US30 in the beginning of this month of May. Okay, we are currently, today's date is 31st of May. Okay, so I'm doing this video just to give a brief summary of how my trading experience was. Okay, because this is actually my first time trading US30 for one whole month. Okay, so in this video I'll just be showing you guys my experience and how it was so far, what I noticed. Okay, so as to encourage those that would love to do so that you know what to expect trading US30. So the first thing I did was to backtest the strategy I was about to use. So I did a little bit of backtesting for about a month, and I saw the profitability of the strategy and I thought to apply it to my real account, which I did. Now, if this is your first time of coming through to this channel, you're welcome to Trinity FX Global. What I do basically in this channel is I'm documenting my journey as a forex trader. So I'm just trading and documenting here on my YouTube channel, please. So you might want to consider subscribing to the channel and just follow me along as I document and just follow the progress. You might want to watch my previous videos to see where we are coming from and track to know how far we've been and where we are currently. Okay, so as I was saying, I traded on my real account. I started out through from the 5th of May. Okay, in this side of the video I'm going to be putting the screenshot, a picture of the account summary for the month of May, starting from on the 5th to the 30th of May. Okay, so somewhere here in the video I'll be putting the picture so you see my trade history. Okay, and it was a very good one. Now I'm just going to show you guys what I noticed. Now, I never knew that trading US30 was this easy and lucrative. Okay, what I mean is that if you're trading US30, you would notice that there's something that would appear on your trading account from time to time. I'm going to show you guys. I'll post a picture right here and just show you guys a screenshot of it. Now, this is what they do, because when you're trading US30, you're actually trading top 30 US companies. Okay, so now this is what happens. You can possibly still make money even as you're trading passively. Okay, so what does it mean is, let's assume that you're on a buy trade. Anytime you're on a buy trade and those top 30 US companies are doing well and they're about to share dividends, you actually get a part of it even without trading. Now the thing is, for you to get part of that dividend, it depends on the lot size you're using. You have to be on a buy trade. Now this is how it works. If you are on a buy trade as at the time where dividends are being shared, Exness, which is the broker I use, would credit you depending on the lot size you're using to take per trade. I don't know if you get it. So if the top 30 companies are doing well and you are on a buy trade, now that's the rule there. You must be on a buy trade. So if you're on a buy trade, buying your 30, and the 30 companies are doing well and they're about to share dividend for the month, I think they do that twice in a month, because what I saw in my trading history was twice in a month. I'm going to show you guys right here in the screenshot. So what I saw was I was giving dividend twice, 2 times. Okay, so if you're in a buy trade as at the time dividends are being shared, Exness would credit you. I don't know about that broker, but I use Exness to trade. They will credit you right there. Okay, so I was surprised to see dividend, and I just saw a little bit of cash on my trading account history. So I did a little bit of research, and that's how I knew that you can actually still make passive income whilst you're trading the account. If dividends are being shared, the companies are doing well, you make money now. So after I back tested, like I told you guys, for 3 months, because I was using free trading view apps, so I wasn't able to backtest more than 3 months. So I backtested, and each of the months I saw that I was profitable. So I started trading from the month of May. Everything is being was documented on this channel. Please do want to go watch my episode 1, episode 2, episode 3, and episode 4, which is my most recent upload before this particular video that you see. Do want to watch those videos so that you can see the progress and how we traded. Okay, so now on my first week it was crazy. Now this is where most newbie traders would most likely miss it. So my first week, I'm going to post the picture right here, okay? Screenshot of what my first week actually looked like. It wasn't funny actually, because the first day we eat SL, second day we eat SL, the third day we eat SL, the fourth day we eat SL, and the fifth day, which was on a Friday, we eat SL. Now the reason why I was still confident with the strategy was because I've already backtested and I saw that it was profitable, so I knew that the month of May wouldn't be different. And of course, you guys know I take just one trade per day, okay? I maintain a specific risk to reward ratio, which is 1:2, and I take just one trade per day, and I trade only the New York session. You understand? So that's as easy as I go with my trades. So I wasn't really bothered. So the first week wasn't funny, it wasn't good, but I was sure that the strategy was working, so I didn't bother. Second week was more of a break, not even break even. The second week, most of the trades were not coming to tap into my entry zone. They will just come, get close, because I use pending orders for my trade. I don't use market execution. I don't use instant market execution. I use pending orders. Once I see my trade set up, I set my buy or sell limit order and I just allow it. If it taps in, fine. If it doesn't tap in, no problem. So my second week, I'm gonna put a screenshot here too. It wasn't really funny because trades were not just going well as expected. Okay, so second week was just more like a stagnant week. You know, third week, we had some few profits here and there, many missed trades. In fact, more of missed trades. Then fourth week, which was this week that just passed by, was the week where we finally came out of drawdown. In fact, the third week, the second week and the third week was just up and down. We are not really entering trades. Trades were not being triggered because price was not coming to my entry, but it was always going to my TP. That was one thing I noticed, and so that's why I'm thinking of coming up with a model that can still make me enter trades even if it does not retrace to my entry. So I think that's what I'm going to work on, so that I don't miss those major moves, because if I entered most of those trades that did not retrace to my entry, I would have made loads of money, you know. So that's for that, and I'm going to work on that. I don't know what you guys think about this idea. If you have an entry strategy to which you can help so that I can ensure that I don't miss trades, please do well to post it on the comment section, and I'd love to hear from you guys. So the second week and the third week we're just more of missed trades and a little bit of trade, one or two trades right there. Then last week here was where we actually came out of drawdown. Okay, we were able to take some few winner trades and we came out of drawdown, and I'm going to post the picture, the screenshot right here, so that you can see what the trading for the week was, and we ended the month profitable regardless of the first week losing streak, 5 losing streak we had in our first week of trading the strategy. So I just want to encourage you guys, if you're watching this video, regardless of the strategy you use, ensure that you build confidence with it. Secondly, have a very good risk reward money management plan you're applying to your trades, and you just have to be disciplined. One thing I noticed is when I fell back to trading just one trade per day, it really helped in my account preservation. You understand? Any strategy can work as long as one, you know the win rate. Like this particular strategy I use is just a 55% win rate, and I'm targeting 1:2 per trade, and that's just it. So I knew that regardless of the losing streak, I'll still come out of that drawdown and still end up in profit. So we're able to make 20%. I'm going to post a screenshot of my deposit and how we ended the account. So we were able to make 20% on our account, to me, which is very, very, very good and encouraging, because if it was on a pop account, that means I've already passed phase 1 and phase 2. That's the implication, because no pop account tells you to pass phase 1 10%, phase 2 10%. No pop account does that. So but I was able to make 20% on the account, and it's a very big plus, and I'm super, super, super excited. I just can't wait for the month of June to start so that I can start trading again. Okay, so I just want to give you guys a brief summary of what trading US30 for a whole month was for me. This is the first time I'm trading US30 for one whole month, and I'm super, super excited. I'm going to be sticking to trading this pair for now. I just love its volatility. I love how active it trades once the New York session opens. Okay, so for those that might want to start trading US30, And please do want to trade majorly the New York session. So for those in Africa, for those in Nigeria, 2:30 p.m. is the right time to start trading US30, because 2:30 p.m. is what others see as 9:30 a.m. New York time. So 2:30 p.m. Nigerian time, that's when volatility starts to enter the market, and you expect massive movements. Depends on the strategy you use, and you just wait for setups and you take your trade. Okay, so this was what I did in this month of May, and I just thought to put it here on YouTube. If there are other suggestions you would love me to know about the strategy and how I can make it better, please do want to use the comment section. But if you have questions about how I trade, I will do what to reach back and reply you. Use the comment section, and you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let's take it up to 100. Okay, we are just a little bit above 60 something, I think 63. Okay, so please I would love you guys, if you really took our time to watch this video to this extent, that shows you have interest for this channel and you're interested to really know more about what I'm doing. So please do want to subscribe to the channel. The month of June is going to be massive. I just can't wait. But like as I said earlier, I'm going to be doing some tweaking to the strategy so that I don't miss most of my trades. But most of my winner trades that actually did well did not retrace back to my entry. So I'm thinking of coming up with a way whereby I can still capture those trades that might not retrace to my entry. Okay, so that's for that. And thank you very much for watching this video from beginning to the end. I really don't want to make it too long, and I'll definitely be documenting my trades, my end of month trade, giving you guys recap just like this, like the one I just did. After I must have done the weekly documentary and uploading it here on YouTube, I'm going to be doing monthly recaps like this to tell you my experience, what I saw, what I noticed, how I traded, and the emotions behind each trade I took, and all of that. But in all, I would say that US30 is a very good pair to trade. Okay, the volatility is not too volatile, it's very moderate, and with little capital you can trade it. Okay, unlike gold and some other volatile pair like NAS 100 and all of that. So US30 is one FX pair I would encourage you to trade. And another thing that really helped preserve the account was that I focused on just one trading pair. Okay, so this will be my last parting goodbyes on this video. Please do want to trade less pairs. If you really want to be profitable, do want to trade less pairs. It will help you to be focused, study the movement of that pair well, and make you become a master at it. That's the only way to attain profitability, not trading 100 pairs or trading all FX pairs. Okay, so that's my advice for you guys. Thank you very much for watching the video from beginning to the end. I so much appreciate. We'll see you on Monday. Monday is a new month, a new week. I'll definitely document my trades here as usual and give you guys whatever updates that you need to know as per my trading journey here on YouTube. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Bye.